Good afternoon. Every day in a car service you have to deal with the movement of large-sized parts, but such as, for example, a transmission or an engine. To facilitate this work, it is necessary to purchase a hydraulic crane, with which you can install and disassemble the volumetric parts of the car. Today we present you the model NORDBERG N3720, hydraulic crane with a lifting capacity of 2 tons. The convenience and practicality of the crane also lies in the fact that the telescopic boom has 3 positions that can be selected only by rearranging the latch. Note that the length of the boom departure is one of those characteristics that it is better to calculate with a margin in advance when buying. Optionally, the hydraulic crane can be equipped with a nozzle. It is also a traverse with a threaded regulator. The carrying capacity of this traverse is 680 kilograms. This is quite convenient when dismantling bulky parts. A manual hydraulic pump equipped with a pumping handle, which is conveniently located on the side of the structure and which provides a high lifting speed. Nothing superfluous. It is easy to operate, no more complicated than a jack, even for one worker, which generally ensures autonomy, high efficiency, and safety during repair work. As we can see, the hydraulic crane is quite maneuverable, moves conveniently and does not take up much space in a car service station when folded. The base of the structure is fixed on wheels, which makes it as mobile and comfortable to use as possible. The easy-to-handle folding mechanism allows you to save space in conditions of insufficient space and makes the crane as a whole quite compact in non-working condition. Having a small base height, only 185 millimeters, the crane easily rolls under the body, which allows it to be used close to the car. Choose only high-quality and proven equipment from a reliable manufacturer. I wish you success in your work and see you again.